Just explain the psychology and behavior of some of your customers and what they're willing to commit to.
Thanks for having me on Bloomberg Technology, Ed. It's great to be here. Large organizations particularly are really seeing the value of identity, whether it's a big company like NTT Data globally is using Okta to secure their workforce and allowing them to adopt different technologies and work from anywhere. Or it's one of the biggest consumer packaged goods companies in the world that has disparate brands they're trying to bring a single unified login experience to. Identity is at the key to that. And these companies, despite macroeconomic uncertainty, are pushing forward with these strategic projects, and we're lucky enough to be able to work with them, and the results are reflected in our business.
CRPO, there are some analysts that kind of were a little disappointed. Your reaction to the bears?
Well, I think that we're being cautious about the economic outlook. There's still economic headwind in the technology sector, and we're being prudent about our forward guidance to make sure that we manage through that appropriately. But at the same time, our growth was very strong in the quarter, 23% revenue growth in this environment. And most importantly, we generated almost $50 million of free cash flow in the quarter. So we've proven that the market for identity is so attractive that in any economic environment, we can grow the business with profitability.
Net retention rate, I know it's something that our Bloomberg Intelligence analysts looked in. What's driving that in its kind of downward trajectory?
Well, it did tick down from last quarter, but remember, we have 115% net retention. So customers bought $1 a year ago. That same customer on average is now paying us $1.15. So that's an incredible testament to our customer success and also the product innovation we've delivered. Just in the last few weeks, we've announced Okta for the Global 2000, which lets the largest organization in the world flexibly adjust their business strategy on a solid identity foundation as they adjust their strategy in these macroeconomic times. And another one is Okta Device Access, which secures the actual login at the end computer all the way through to the company's entire infrastructure. So the business is strong and customers are having success, and we're excited to work with them.
Todd, I think I heard you say AI on the call 8 times and ChatGPT 4 times. What's the AI story for Okta?
Well, first of all, in the big picture, Ed, I mean, our industry and the world hypes a lot of things. I think AI may be underhyped, and that's the potential. I mean, you have all the right ingredients of a true technology revolution. You have breakthrough hardware with what's happened with GPUs. You have computer science breakthroughs, which with what happened a few years ago with the Transformers paper and that pouring into large language models. And you have a killer app. You had ChatGPT come out and just take over the world. And that's the Netscape moment of this AI revolution. And talk about the economy. I think what really could get the economy in terms of tech spending and tech investment really doubling down is this focus on AI. Every company I talk to is thinking about how they can become an AI company. And it's just similar to like in the late 90s when every company had an internet strategy. That's what we're on the precipice of. And we benefit from that. Okta is the login for ChatGPT. They use our customer identity cloud to connect their customers to ChatGPT. And so it's whether it's OpenAI or whether it's Scale AI or Recurrency.ai, we're the identity company for all these AI startups and innovators.